Very good day to everyone. What a memorable term it has been. With schools moving from virtual to face mode after the summer break, children and teachers have adjusted to being in school like old times, albeit with all safety precautions in place. A strong connection and a strong bond between the teachers and the students are being established. Classes started with both academic and extracurricular activities being practiced in regular mode. Education is not to reform students or to amuse them or to make them expert technicians. It is to unsettle their minds, widen their horizons, inflame their intellects, and teach them to think straight if possible, said Robert Hutchins. School visits to Expo are a means to enrich the students' knowledge of science, culture, traditions, and geography. Our students of grades 5 to 8 were excited to walk into the various country pavilions, get their Expo passports stamped, and interact with technology on display. This unforgettable educational journey is part of our endeavor to ensure that our students get enriched by experiences outside the school too. Shining Star International School Abu Dhabi had conducted the second edition of Creative Expressions, the inter-school handwriting and art competition in the month of October. This competition served as a platform to motivate students of determination and also gave them opportunities to exhibit their inherent artistic talents and skills. 6 of our students participated in the competition in all 3 categories: handwriting, drawing, and painting. And it gives us immense pleasure to announce that our student Winona William from grade 1D has bagged the Best Promising Calligrapher Award for the category 1 handwriting competition. In recognition of the academic diligence in the International Benchmarking Test or IBT and obtaining the highest score, few students from our school were awarded the International Benchmark Test Award for Excellence along with a cash prize for various subjects. This award is testimony of being the best student amongst all students who appeared for the assessment in the Middle East. The beautiful umbrellas depicting the heritage and culture of India and UAE, which were created by the students of grades 6 and 7 during the Heritage Utsav, now adorn our corridors. Certificates were awarded to the innovative creations last week. 2 of our students, Noah Timothy of grade 6 and Mohammed Hanan of grade 5, participated in a painting competition on the theme Tell a Tale with a Picture. It was organized by ASMAM International School, Sharjah. Some of our students received medals and certificates as an appreciation for their scores in the National Olympiad organized by NOF during the last academic year. Amongst them, Vaishnav Avur Santosh won the silver medal and the medal for meritorious performance and a certificate for the Hindi Olympiad. Hazim Muhammad of grade 9B was awarded the gold medal and the medal for meritorious performance with a certificate for the English Olympiad. Out of the 98 students from grades 5 to 9 who appeared for the asset benchmarking test, we had 36 students who qualified for the asset talent search, which was close to 37% of the students. Certificates were distributed to them amidst thunderous applause from all the students in the assembly. These certificates were presented at the term-end assembly, which showcased the highlights of this term along with performances by the students. Highlight, of course, was a visit by none other than Santa, who was cheered by all. On this last day of term, children enjoyed participating in card or bookmark making competitions and interclass activity in grade 1 and 2. A class decoration competition from grade 3 to 9 with grade 3E, 5A and 9AB bagging the prizes. Fun games and movie time followed. The school band along with the music teachers played some cheerful numbers and select students from the school choir went carol singing in the corridors. Another proud moment for us as Noah Timothy and Ashish Reddy presented their innovative projects to SPEAR officials at Sharjah Amphitheatre. The first one, a light sensing robot, helps in search and find missions, and the second one, the Flush for Light, is an innovation based on electricity generation from waste. Congratulations to the children and the STEM department. So that's a wrap for 2021 as we usher in the winter break, wishing all of you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. May this year bring good health and cheer all around. Until we meet again in 2022, stay safe and take care.